How's it going, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Chevy Malibu with a replaced battery and remote key warning. Very easy to do, very easy fix. No need to pay anybody for this. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver, and here we go. So take it apart by first taking out the manual key, one little button that holds it in, and then you pull it out. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver to pry this thing open. Just be a little bit careful not to pry in the wrong location. It's just basically two halves that go together. Once you take off the halves, you'll see the battery is right there. You just flick that thing out and then get yourself a 2032 battery. You can get these anywhere, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, anywhere. And then once you take it out, you put it in the same way you found it, which is usually with the positive side down or the logo facing down. Once you do that, you just put it back together. Put the case, like I said, squish it, you'll hear some clicks, it snaps in together, put the key back on, and just hit the key fob a few times to make sure it works, and you're basically done.